Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301687, and this is a 2024 Buick Envista ST. Our color is ocean blue. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on the unit. All right, power windows, mirrors, locks, power driver's seat with lumbar support. Got our interior and exterior lighting control. Steering wheel features heat, forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free, stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready. Electronic and dual climate control with heated front seats. Got USB ports, automatic transmission, parking brake, auto start stop, lane keep assist. We are also OnStar ready, sunroof controls, and our interior color is ebony. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a full bench seat, a couple of USB ports for our rear passengers, and a 60/40 backing just for you in case you need some more room. On to our exterior, got 19-inch Buick rims. Got a rear view camera, an interior cargo cover for all that cargo space. And there you have it, guys. That is stock number 301687. You've just checked out this ocean blue 2024 Buick Envista ST. Thanks for watching.